I never thought I'd have to take a breathalyzer.
That's as good as it's gonna get, guys.
What you saying?
I never thought I'd have to take a breathalyzer before I turned 21.
No, but she went, I never thought I had to take a breathalyzer before I turned 21. Oh, that was amazing. Jordan.
Jordan. Jordan.
Is that on?
Yes.
Yes. Jordan. Hello.
Knock it over.
Ow, my eye. No, man. Ow, that drained my eye.
Oh my God, Jordan. You don't need to see. If the man goes a lock and won't come back. You got a firm grip on that.
Do you think this is sexy? Okay.
They're getting their gun ready. Run, coppers!
I swear to God, I'm not drunk. I scrubbed it, did it wrong.
I did it the right way.
I said it right.
Can you imagine if you're really drunk and then you said it right?
I swear to drunk, I'm not God.
Wow.
I swear to drunk, I'm not
I said to go play DDR.
Yeah, we definitely need to get rid of some of this pin up
Go
energy.
do what? DDR. Goodbye.